Yo, I know Jordan Brand been oversaturating the Air Jordan 1 model, but for specific colorways and further on colorways that we're already gonna be getting in 2023, it's just crazy how much slept on these Jordan 1s actually are. We have an early pair here today that we're gonna talk about, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. It's always greatly appreciated. And in this video today, I'm gonna be definitely reading everybody's comments and seeing what everybody thinks about, you know, what's going on with Jordan Brand, what's going on with the Jordan 1, because I'm very interested in knowing. I can't wait to read you guys' comments, man. But for real quick, man, if you guys are new, go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell and please leave a huge like on today's video. The likes go a long way. The more likes we get, the more interaction we're going to be getting down below in the comment section. And it's going to be a very dope one for you guys to come and comment down below what your thoughts are on, you know, Air Jordan 1s, Jordan Brand, and why Jordan 1s are, you know, ultimately dead, man. All right, man, here we have it. You guys probably seen me show these a couple of times now. A couple of months ago, I had these things so early. It's crazy. Shouts out to the homie Burger Kicks for, you know what I'm saying, sending these over to your boy. You guys can see the box, you know, Jordan Brand did something different with this, switched up the box and everything like that, kind of gave us a different presentation. They trying their best to bring that Jordan 1 hype back. They even doing, you know, shock drops, exclusive access, which we're gonna be talking about here shortly for the upcoming Air Jordan 1 UNCs. But for this one right here, I don't know if this colorway is going to bring back that, you know, life of the Air Jordan 1, man. So let's go ahead and pull them out real quick, man. Here we have them, the Air Jordan 1 washed heritage, black heritage, whatever you want to call it. So many different names getting floated around there. I don't think it's been an official name yet. If it has, you guys go ahead and comment it down below. I don't know everything. I just know that the first name I seen was the washed heritages, and these right here is super clean, bro. Like, I don't understand how these are so slept on. I'm talking about, I've had these for a while now. Every time I do show them on a video, they don't get as much love as I would have thought they would have gotten, in my honest opinion, man. They gave us a nice, clean suede toe box, you know what I'm saying, suede all around these sneakers. And then they gave us, you know what I'm saying, the hit of that off-white on the midsole, which some of you got some B-roll of. Just an all over super nice sneaker. And it actually surprised me. Like, when I unboxed them, I said, yo, hold on, Nike, Jordan Brand going in the right direction with dropping these colorways. And I thought this one's gonna do really good. And also the Air Jordan 1 Lucky Greens. Now these right here, when we first got the official images, I was like, bro, it's a black toe and they got that nice Lucky Green on the back. The people gonna go crazy. But right now, these Air Jordan 1, the Lucky Greens are going for under retail, like everywhere. You go into a sneaker store, you're gonna stock it, you're gonna go, you can literally get these things for under retail. And it's a very dope colorway. Like, I know we had that excuse last year where they was dropping too many dope colorways, so everybody pushed the other ones off on the back burner, but it ain't really been much dropping, you know, so far in 2023. We got the SB Air Jordan 4s, of course, got to reimagine 3s. But other than that, what else crazy have we gotten to where people are not, you know what I'm saying, crediting Jordan Brand with, you know what I'm saying, dope colorways like the Air Jordan 1 Lucky Greens. And then we have another early pair right here. The Watch Heritage is another dope colorway. And real quick, you guys let me know down below in the comment section if you will be grabbing these. Because when I first showed these on the channel, I'm telling y'all, people like, I'm passing, they trash. Jordan Brand dropping too many colorways. But I want to see you guys, you know, thoughts, opinions, you know, your honest reaction to, you know what I'm saying, the upcoming releases we are getting from Jordan Brand. Super clean. I really love how they did, you know what I'm saying, that kind of black outsole kind of contrasting well with the eggshell white midsole, and then a nice stone white on the upper of these joints. It's a beautiful sneaker. Just look at these, bro. This is a dope sneaker, bro. And I'm telling y'all right now, these will definitely sit. I don't know why. Y'all can say it's because they made too many, produced too many, but it all falls down to Jordan 1s just being, you know, officially dead. And like I said earlier in the video, we are hearing that we'll be getting a shock drop or an exclusive access of some sort for the Air Jordan 1 UNC toe, whatever you want to call it. And we've gotten so many UNC colorways in the Air Jordan 1 model. It's crazy. And that's why I was telling people, like, yo, I think those are gonna sit. I don't think they're gonna do well because we literally got like 3-4 pair of UNC Air Jordan 1s within the last 2 years. So I don't think that these are going to do as good as people think they're going to do, just because it's another UNC colorway. Don't get me wrong, UNC is a dope colorway on any model, but I just feel like, you know, as far as Air Jordan 1s, we've gotten way too many UNC Air Jordan 1 colorways. So when we get more details and more information about that EA or that shock drop information, I'm definitely gonna put you guys on, come up here and chop it up with you guys, put y'all in the best opportunity to hit on a pair of those UNC Air Jordan 1s. Me, I'm copping them. Like, I haven't lost my love for the Air Jordan 1s. It just seemed like the sneaker community kind of shied away from Air Jordan 1s. I don't know if they transitioned to Air Jordan 4s or what it is. And like, we haven't got that many Air Jordan 4s to where you know, people are trying to put those in priority over the Air Jordan 1. So I don't know what's going on, and I cannot wait to read you guys' comments. Maybe I got solutions for me. Maybe, like I said, they oversaturate them. Maybe it's just way too many they producing, or maybe the colorways are just garbage. These Air Jordan 1 washed heritages did come with extra black laces right here, as you guys can see. Throw in this little cardboard box. But I'm telling y'all, the white laces in these joints look extra crispy, makes these look 10 times better. Kind of makes them, I know a lot of people, when I dropped the Air Jordan 6 Toro video, they said, yo, the black laces make the Air Jordan 6 Toros look, you know, 10 times better. And I feel like definitely with these Air Jordan washed heritages, the white laces definitely make it pop. That nice cool gray hit all the way around it, that washed black hit all the way around. It looks very, very clean, and the quality on these joints is really good. And then to seal the deal with these washed heritages, man, they gave us a nice pop of that red on the Nike Air on the tongue, super clean. I'm loving them because I already got my pair, already been rocking them actually, and I'm gonna be sure to give you guys a little portion on feet at the end of this video. So yeah, man, y'all go ahead and comment down below what y'all think about, you know, Air Jordan 1 colorways. Why are these, you know, these don't even drop until next month, and people already saying that they trash. These already go from the retail on all your third party, you know, sneaker purchasing apps like StockX and Go. It's just crazy. Like, I don't know what's going on, but for me, I still love Jordan 1s, but I want you guys to let me know why y'all passing on them. Do y'all think, like I said, they're oversaturated, too many Air Jordan 1 colorways? I just can't wait to see you guys, you know, actual opinion over what's going on with the Air Jordan 1 model. So I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video, man. Make sure you sub up right now to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. And please leave a huge like on this video, man. Let's run them up. Let's get every video up to 500 likes. You guys been pretty consistent with that. So if you're watching, man, just go ahead and smack the like button real quick. It's free 99 and it helps the channel grow. I appreciate everybody for tapping in. I can't wait to read you guys' comments. Please go crazy down there. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
To work the day away, I figured I could maybe pave away. No, it's niggas that count the days till I fade away. But you know I always find my way to turn a bad look in the field to something solid. I'm on target for a major play. Used to waste the day away. She hit me to say I'm on her mind, but my commitment to the game got me OT till I OD and then I fade away. Lately I've been giving down tones and meeting milestones. No way I'm giving all of me. She settled for a left hand with a gym over a piece of me. My mind's always just clear when she done climbing on the top of me. Really by the code, needs you to keep the same energy. I've been this in my sleep, bitch, I got here off muscle memory. Self-love gone missing, I'm right back to claims of needing you. I give you that attention that you crave.